Morning, welcome back to Hacks. I'm Paul. Basman's currently still busy. Liam is cutting place for the next door going to the workshop. Tons of problems. 15 mil there, 10 mil there. Nice little aluminium quality shop, all three on machines. Going out to be installed tomorrow on a dry fit prior to powder coating. More van racking, lots of van racking. Another 4 vans, ready to go. Beams with brick plates, this one's going for galvanising. Christ knows what he's holding up, this is just engineered again. Together with a specialised table with adjustable slides. More on this while we just wait for the bearings to arrive. So that tabletop fully revolves on these bearings. And over here we've got another beam with brick plate, painted red. Here's Richard about the local crane. Gorgeous morning here at Hatch. Yard for once is pretty clear because everything is out on site being installed. Seem to have a massive push while the weather's good. And then next week it all starts again in the workshop. Once again, just remember, if you can draw it, we can make it.